Welcome guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your JBL Flip Essential. So as you can see, my speaker is turned on, and to enter the pairing mode you have to click once on this Bluetooth button, just like that. As you can see, and also as you can hear, this Bluetooth icon is blinking, speaker is making sound. It means that right now it's visible for other devices. I mean, the speaker is visible. So what you have to do, now, if you still don't have it right here, you can simply refresh the list by using these three dots in the right upper corner. If it is not working, you can simply power off and power on Bluetooth on your Android smartphone. And right now the JBL Flip Essential will definitely pops on the list, and there it is. So we can just tap on it once and then accept the pairing request. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.